If you're thinking about trying HitWit AI, stop scrolling. These are the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. This just released AI software has a few hidden gems and a few limitations you should absolutely be aware of. First off, yes, you can try HitWit AI for completely free using the first link in the description. No credit card required. And if you stick with me, I'll show you exactly how to avoid the most common mistakes people make with this tool and unlock its full potential. Trust me, what I discovered near the end changed how I use AI software for good. Now, HitWit AI is designed to be an all-in-one creative assistant. Think content writing, image generation, coding, video ideas. This tool tries to compete with the big names, but it's got a unique angle: speed and simplicity. You get pre-built templates tailored for marketers, small businesses, and content creators. The interface is ridiculously clean, no fluff, no overload. You don't need to be tech savvy to get results, but here's where it gets interesting. HitWit doesn't just generate content, it helps you refine it. The software has built-in feedback tools that help you optimize tone, structure, and even SEO relevance. That's something missing from a lot of AI tools I've tested. If you run a blog, make YouTube videos, or write sales copy, this feature alone is a time saver. Performance-wise, fast. Real-time results without long loading screens. Compared to something like Jasper or Copy.ai, HitWit's response time is noticeably snappy. And yes, it supports long-form content, which a lot of new AI tools don't do well. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. The AI still leans generic unless you prompt it well. It's powerful, but if you're vague, your outputs will be too. That said, their prompt guides are actually helpful, especially for beginners. One standout, the Content Strategy Wizard. It's like a mini coach that walks you through your niche, target audience, and offers content ideas based on current trends. I tested this across 2 marketing campaigns. It worked better than expected. You'll also find built-in integrations with Google Docs and WordPress. That's a massive win for workflow. No need to copy-paste or juggle tabs. And if you're in digital marketing like I am, you'll appreciate the ability to export client-ready content in just a few clicks. Now, what about pricing? After the free trial, HitWit AI is affordable, no bloated enterprise plans. It's clearly aiming to undercut competitors without sacrificing quality. So is HitWit AI worth it? If you're a creator, solopreneur, or marketer looking for a new AI tool that's fast, practical, and beginner-friendly, yes, absolutely. It's not perfect, but it punches way above its weight. Again, you can try HitWit AI totally free with the first link in the description. And if you're serious about using AI to grow your business or content strategy, I've also linked my top recommended AI tools below, tested from thousands of hours of real use. Try them out, see what works for you.